Kitaba ibintu byonna biyidde bakabaka baffe bonna. Sabasajja kusiize baseka bakabu lwaki nina ekikaze lwaki sinza lukutana wakisinza ndi lwaki bawulira basalide n'omusango abasajja abawulira. What has happened to Buganda is a tragedy, because this has been our treasure for the last many years, for centuries. The last centuries, our forefathers prepared this, and we have got clues. We will handle according to those clues. It is very unfortunate. We do not expect the same person to do this, but the way it's happening is very disappointing for the country. And we will do all it takes to get the culprits, and we will have to bring them to book. They must answer the charges. Whoever has done this will answer the charges.